is Ryan Kliss, cabinet maker. Got a new product for you. It's called the hose control. This is an injection molded piece of plastic. It's got a little reinforcement in it so it doesn't break. It's very flexible, very strong, and it has 3 flat surfaces so you can mount this in any direction on a workbench. It's even got a little holder for an MFT table if you're into the Festool stuff. But that solves this problem of reaching down here to pick up your hose off the floor. And even if I coil that up, it falls. So now I've got this on my workbench. I can snap it right in there. So when I want to change over tools from either I'm working from my belt sander to my orbital sander to my domino, I'm doing that quite often. I can just snap this right in the holder. Don't have to worry about it falling on the floor. No more bending over, less struggle. Check it out, hose holder. So I'll show you the comparison of why injection molding is so important. It's very flexible. You can heat this up, shape it. If you want it a little tighter, a little looser, you can do that with heat. FastCap has invested in their own brand new injection molding machine. So these are made right here. No shipping delays. These aren't going to be sitting in a container off Long Beach. So they're ready to ship. Get one now.